If you have flat roofs, the first thing you look for is you want to look for a lot of ponding, a lot of water that's just sitting longer than 48 hours. That's number one. The next thing you look for is the perimeter. You look at the base flashings and all the penetrations. 75% of all roof leaks come from roof penetrations or base flashings, or like perimeter edge, like the gutter edge. Like for example, this right here, you start to see like the sealant coming up, little defects and things like that. Third thing is, like I say, you want to trim trees back. You're looking for a bunch of vegetation on the roofs because those can plug up drains. They can prevent the flow of water, to the drain. For shingle roof areas, you're looking for granule loss. You're looking for when the shingles start to curl. They'll start to look a little old. They'll start curling up, or they'll start curling up or curl under. You'll see a lot of granules in the gutters. If you look in the gutters, like when you're supposed to clean them every quarter, you'll look in there and you'll see a bunch of granule loss. That type of stuff, that's what you're kind of looking for. Those are telltale signs. And then once again, you're looking at pipe penetrations to make sure to see if they have holes in them, anything like that.